For Mother's Day, I've decided to do a Dollar Tree DIY using a shovel, which this one is from a couple years ago from the dollar store, but you could get the ones this year and they're metal, which I think is really neat, but they were out of them. Also, I'll be using this, which is metal. And the look I'm going for is this speckled enamel. I just love it. I'm falling in love with it. I'm doing my vintage trailer with this accent, and I have this coffee which my sister bought me for her birthday. My sister Pat buys other people gifts on her birthday, and that's one of the things she got me. And she got me this, and I love it. So this DIY you could hang on a door, or you could hang in a kitchen. And I want to do something that I personally would like, not just some quick, inexpensive, easy Dollar Tree craft. It's something I would use myself. So, okay, this I've already done with the splattering, painted it white, and I did add a little black edge, but that would be up to you. And on this, I taped the top part, sprayed the white, and then taped the white and sprayed the black. Now what I'm going to do is, to get that speckled look, you can do it two ways. You can take a paintbrush and just go like this, or you can like flick it, put your finger there, and that's the way I think it comes out best, flicking it. That gives you the eggshell. I mixed a little bit of water with my paint. This is just a folk art that I had, folk art paint, because it was too thick. But I experimented first on a piece of cardboard to make sure it was the consistency that I needed. And it might look neat to trim out the shovel with a little black edge, but it would take time.